Pipeline 360, guys. This is a new experience for all of us. Please excuse my hands below because they're securing the camera. This is a brand new strap, so I don't know how good or bad it is. But here we go. Pipeline, front row, 360. Oh my God, what? Oh! Yes! Oh! Whoa, I'm floating! Son of a Christ! Okay, are we good? Are we good? Whoa! Oh! Oh my God, I got jerked! Oh! I need help! Oh! Not a freaking inversion! Oh! My God! Ooh, look! Parking lot! No! Fun. That was a really fun roller coaster. I give it a solid 10 out of 10. The seats are kind of banana hammock. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but yeah, that was absolutely fun. You guys have fun back there? Thank you so much. See you next time.